Today we'll see fitting a Poisson distribution, how to fit a Poisson probability distribution to the given statistical data. So we'll take first example. Fit a Poisson's distribution to the following data. Where you have given x and f and x are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and f are 109, 65, 22, 3 and 1, and if we'll total this, its summation f is 200 total. Okay, this is given to you and you are asked to find or you are asked to fit a Poisson distribution. We know the Poisson distribution formula is probability of r is e raised to minus z, z raised to r upon r factorial. For that we need z, and z is nothing but mean. It is NP in case of Poisson distribution. But we have given a statistical data. For that, mean is summation fx upon summation f. That is, if we will find summation f into x, that is 0 into 109 plus 1 into 65 plus 2 into 22 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 1 upon summation f 109 plus 65 plus 22 plus 3 plus 1, or it is directly given to you as 200. So it is equal to 122 by 200, that is z is equal to 0.61. Okay, we have z now, and in your formula we need z. Okay, then we'll take your x as r now and we'll find the corresponding probabilities. So probability of 0, or you can say r is equal to 0 is, now we have formula, put r is 0 and z is 0.61. In that we get e raised to minus 0.61 into 0.61 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, and we get it at 0.5433 as probability of 0. Next, we'll find probability of 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all we are going to find. So probability of r is 1 is equal to e raised to minus z, z raised to r is 1 upon 1 factorial, that is equal to 0.3314. Next, probability of r is equal to 2 is e raised to minus z, z raised to r 2 upon 2 factorial, and it is equal to 0.1010. Next, probability of r is equal to 3 is e raised to minus z, z raised to r upon r factorial, that is equal to 0.0205. Next, probability of r is equal to 4. It is e raised to minus z, z raised to r is 4 upon 4 factorial, and that is equal to 0.003 0.313. Okay, we have all the probabilities with us. Then as probability of R are there, we have to find frequencies, corresponding frequencies. We know the formula we have seen in binomial distribution. The expected frequency can be defined as probabilities of R into summation F. So we can write frequency at R is 0 is probability at 0 into summation F, and it is equal to 0.5433 into summation F. Summation F, it is 200. So it is equal to 108.66, and we'll round up. As it is frequency, we will have to round it up, and we'll round it up to 109. Okay, next we'll find frequency at 1, that is probability at 1 into summation F, and probability at 1 is 0.3314 into 200, that is equal to 66.28, and round it up to 66. Next, frequency at 2 is probability at 2 into summation F, and it is 0.1010 into 200, that is 20.2. Again round up to 20. Next, frequency at 3, that is probability at 3 into summation F, and probability at 3, R is 3, is 0.0205 into 200, that is equal to 4.1, and round it up to 4. Last, frequency at 4 is probability at 4 into summation F, and probability at 4 is 0.00313 into 200, that is equal to 0.626, and round it up to 1. And we have to check all the frequencies summation. If it is the summation F, which is originally, that is 200, if it retain, then we are through. So check it, is it 200? Yes, it is 200, so we are correct. So we'll tabulating these values. So tabulating, we get R and F now, and your X are your R. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, these are your original frequencies, and after fitting it by Poisson distribution, we get the frequencies as frequency at 0, it is 109, then 66, then 20, 4 and 1, which is your required fitting of Poisson distribution. And if we will see the total is again 200. This is the answer. Okay, we'll see one more example. Fit Poisson's distribution to the following data, and and data is given to you is X and F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 192, 100, 24, 3, 1, and total is 320. Okay, we'll start. As we know, Z is equal to mean, and that is equal to NP, and in this case it is summation fx upon summation f. So Z is summation fx 0 into 192 plus 1 into 100 plus 2 into 24 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 1 upon summation f is 320. So Z is equal to 0.5031. We have Z, and we know we have to put Poisson distribution. So Poisson's probability distribution is probability of R is equal to e raised to minus z raised to R upon R factorial. So R are now 0 to 4. So we'll first find probability of 0, that is e raised to minus 0.5031 into 0.5031 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, that is equal to 0.6046. Next, probability of 1, e raised to minus z raised to R upon R factorial, that is 0.3042. Next, probability of 2, e raised to minus z raised to R upon R factorial, that is equal to 0.07652. Probability of 3 is e raised to minus z raised to R upon R factorial, that is equal to 0.01283. Lastly, probability of 4 is e raised to minus z raised to R upon R factorial, 4 factorial, that is equal to 0.001614. Okay, we have all the probabilities now. Then we need to find out frequencies. So expected frequencies is equal to probability into summation, required probability into summation f. That is, firstly we'll find expected frequency at R is 0. So f of 0 is probability at 0, that is 0.6046 into summation f is 320. It is equal to 193.472, and we'll round up to 193. Next, frequency at 1 is probability at 1, which is 0.3042 into 320, that is equal to 97.344, and that is 97. Next, frequency at 2 which is equal to 0.07652 into 320, 24.486, and that will be 25. And f of 3 is 0.01283 into 320, which is 4.1056, and we'll round up it to 4. Lastly, f of 4 is 0.001614 into 320, that is equal to 0.51648, and round up it to 1. And just check out the summation. If it is 320, then we are through. Yes, it is 320. So tabulating the answer, we get the required Poisson's fitting as R and F are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and frequency at 0, that is 193, 97, 25, 4 and 1, and if we write the total also, the total is 320. So which is the fitting of Poisson's distribution. I want to ask you to solve this as an exercise. Number of mistakes and number of pages. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 211, 90, 19, 5 and 0. Sorry. Fit a Poisson's distribution. Thank you.